How are you?
Morning.
You? Good. Hello, what's your name?
Zelda.
Okay, what's happening here today?
Sorry?
What is happening here today?
We're having a tournament.
Can you give us more what's for the occasion?
I'm not too sure. My son plays for Dragons. He's going to play for under 9 with Coach Mtunzi. And yes, it looks quite well organised. So well done, guys. Nice pictures.
Thanks a lot.
For a change, it's nice to play in a tournament that's got nice pictures and not 3D pictures.
It's it?
Sithinje namhlanje la.
Oh, hayibo sesekumabona kude. Asobuya intwana ziyadlala intwana. Yeah, the game abafana balapha iwop sihamba newop 1 no 2. Yeah, sizothatha i-tournament.
Oh yeah. Hey, so yakuluze le tournament.
Sizoqhubela iphakathi egcine khona izona. How are you?
I'm okay, and you?
Good.
Yeah, we just had some issues along the way, with traffic and issues, but eventually we finally we just putting the boys together and trying to set things up in terms of the under 7s and under 10s for Mzansi United. But we're just waiting for the registration to proceed, and then from there hopefully we're going to meet with the coaches. That's what the organizers have said. We are going to meet shortly, and then they will brief us in terms of the processes and what is expected and what is our role as a club, as Mzansi United. And we're doing this year for the young ones.
Yeah, let's expect to the young ones. Yes.
So, so we're putting all our energy and emphasis in trying to develop our boys, and we will take it.
Wow. abafana noSiyabonga Nomvethe oke wadlala isikhathi eside kakhulu emazweni aphesheya, wadlala nakubafana abafana, naye uzobona abafana la uzoba motivator. So nje usuku lu-right, iy'ngane zibukeka zijabule kakhulu. Siyathemba ukuthi kuzohamba kahle. Siyabonga kakhulu.
We have Agape Simelane here. He's from Stella. Agape is the man of the match. Agape, please tell me how you're feeling about your performance. What do you think is one of the strengths of your team that helps you guys to win?
What is your name and surname?
Your passing. Thank you so much, brother. We have Lulonke Mkono here, man of the match in the game. He plays for Amabuto. Lulonke, umtshele uzizwa kanjani Lulonke, ibinjani game, and yeah, telling a performance. Good. What do you think is something that made you perform so well? Do you train longer? Yeah.
Training makes me play very good.
Yeah.
I work hard.
You work hard? Okay. Thank you so much, Dante. Of your tournament, and we hope to see you again here for another Man of the Match interview. Thank you. Hi guys, we have here Mvelo, winner, Man of the Match for your game. How are you feeling, Mvelo? And congratulations. Tell us, begunjani gamini, when uzizwe benjani performance yako, and yeah. Ibera performance game yona. Bimnandi. Okay, sabon. Hi guys, we have Tando Mkwanazi here of Westville All Boys. He's the man of the match and a goal scorer. Tando, talk me through your game. Talk me about how you're feeling. Yeah.
I'm feeling good. The game was nice.
Tando, what made your team perform well?
And keep discipline. As we're coming here, the most important part is that you need to leave this place as clean as you find it. Make sure when you go to the toilet that you make sure that you do the right thing that you do at home. Let's not do something that is not right. We know what is right, we know what is wrong. Let's make sure that we
Ngizokwenzani la?
Sodlala ibhola.
Badlala ibhola?
Yebo.
Udlalelani?
Ngidlalela iMpola Queens.
Empola.
Yebo malume.
Ngiqhamuka ngisuka kuphi nendawo?
Sisuka eMaranrich malume sodlala ibhola.
Lonke nidlalela Empola?
Yes malume.
Okay.
Yes, we love soccer.
So namhlanje kwenziwani la campus?
Mengicabanga sodlala i-tournament malume. Angani?
Sasiqale lapha eClarota sayiqedela.
Yebo malume.
Tournament yani le.
Super Cup.
Pinetown Super Cup.
Yes, malume Pinetown Super Cup.
So wena udlala yiphi
Position? Mina ngidlala center malume.
Yabaphakela.
Ngabahambi.
So njengoba izulu linje nizizwa kanjani?
Hayi si-right malume sinayo energy and siyayizwa lento egazini ukuthi le game lesizoyilini.
Mangabe izulu lina ngeke nwadlala ama-game?
Yebo malume. Do or die.
Compared to makushisa imapha right?
Magnet, hayi makushisa uyaqobeka malume uyaqobeka.
For igrasa nisho ukuligi amakhokha nawo la ma-challenges.
Akhona lawo ama-challenge kodwa phela yabo siyafighta and siyabo. Yebo.
Wanje uthe uba igama?
Anita Dlamini.
Okay, sabonga guys, ngibona lapha efieldini.
Yebo, nishuthe.
Okay, first team for the under-10s, Pool A. Oh, sorry, under 11. Okay, under Future Stars Development.
Bafethu sifikile iPython Super Cup picnic. Are you ready? Mawuthi uyabheka la ngiphethe ama-tickets, come and get yours. I-ticket to 50 rand. Mawuthola kumina, I'm here at McDonald's from 12 o'clock to 2 and then mawuthola egate-ini 70 rand. Uma ngabe ukuthi ufuna ukuba i-VIP uhlale nabo-who's nayo into ezokwenzeka. Kufanele wenze so. I-ticket lakhona limalini 200 rand mawuthola kumina 150 mawuthola esangweni. Woza bafethu mhlaka 16 the place to be Python. Woza McDonald's uzodlalela i-ticket. Ona nangu selitholile la i-ticket.